International Women's Day. A day for us all to pay attention to. The hashtag this year, or the theme this year, is each for equal. And we really need to bring the awareness to celebrating the women for their achievements, to raise each other up and not tear each other down, to just be equal, each for equal. Each of us participate in becoming equal. It's a great theme. And I hope that it's one that we all can have the opportunity to pay attention to and maybe set some sort of mantras and goals and ideals surrounding this. The US right now is going to have a man as a president. No more women are running. I personally was really hoping for Marianne Williamson. That would have been a long shot. But she's such a beautiful spiritual guru and would have done everything she could to have returned that country to love. And now there is just such a great divide. And that divide, though, is reflective as to what is happening on our planet. Our planet is so divided. So much hate and greed. And yet there is so much love rising up. And we are all here, the ones that listen to this stuff, me talking, me ranting, we all want the same thing. We want love for one another. We want to be in a place that we're safe, that we're being fueled by love and passion. We have the opportunity to achieve our goals and chase our dreams and have a safe place for our kids to grow up in. And our grandkids and all that other stuff. Dogs, cats, live a life like that. But that life is over now. That world is done. We're on this edge of such great transformations. And people like Harvey Weinstein, and he got his time. More charges are coming. And we're just bearing witness to this, that we just don't have the space left in our lives to put up with that shit anymore. It's not happening anymore. Not on our watch. So, International Women's Day, let's celebrate it hard. Honor all the women in your life. Don't listen to the people that are saying, oh, this is not equal, and, what about the men? Well, the men have had their time, guys. The men have had their time for decades and centuries and millennia. Long time. And we've had enough of the greed and the power bullshit that goes around. We want softness. We want a nurturing planet. We want love. We want connection. We want the feminine essence to just flow. We want to save this planet. We want to do everything we can, anything we can, to save it. Remember this hashtag, each for equal. It's our duty. It's our obligation as a woman. You were born as a woman. And that is our birthright. It's our birthright to celebrate us. It's our birthright to be able to do whatever we want. It's our birthright to live freely, make choices, do whatever the hell we want. Grow, thrive, be in business, don't be in business, have kids, don't have kids. Be successful. Be successful. It's our right. So let's raise each other up. Stop the shaming, stop the judging, stop the hurting. You don't need to. There's so much room and space for all of us to succeed. All of us. And it's our job to pay attention to our sister to our right and our sister to our left. We have to look after them. Because we can't rise up without everybody rising up together, each for equal. Happy International Women's Day. Go and celebrate it. And look after all the women in your life.